Okay. This is a good start. In the first day since launch, we now have 80 applicants. For reference, our target's about 100, so we should be there soon. So we're going to have to work out what we do with all these applicants. I mean, it's a good problem to have. So last week, I shot a quick video telling people how when I run AI workshops, I can charge between £1,000 and £4,000 per hour. And I asked, is this something that people would be interested in learning about, in licensing my materials and potentially teaching your own workshops? Basically saying, is this a stupid idea or is there something here that might be interesting? Lots of people responded to that video and said, yes, absolutely, I'd love to do it. And we opened up the application procedure yesterday on Thursday. Thursday. And so far we've had 80 applications, people actually going to the form and filling it out. As I said, the target was 100, so we're already at 80, so we're kind of pretty much there. And we haven't even launched it to the newsletter, which is going to be tomorrow in Saturday's issue. So that's going out to another 50,000 readers tomorrow. So hopefully, wow, I don't know what we're going to hit now. This is obviously fantastic. This is wonderful. But it does put me in the position where I did want a small first cohort because I was going to work very intimately with the people going through. So I'm going to have to work out how I balance that with potentially having, 100 plus applications. Anyway, I'll work it out. We're going to be launching in the newsletter on Saturday, and then on Monday, we're going to start to contact people about the applications. And then the deadline when we're cutting it off is going to be the 10th of June. So we can start in the second week of June with the actual cohort. Once the doors close on the 10th, they are closed. That's done. We're not going to be bringing anyone in. We've already got too many people, so we will be closing the doors on the 10th for sure. So yeah, thank you for everyone who's applied and anyone who wants to apply. This is fantastic, obviously. We just need to work out how we deal with all this demand, which is, it's wonderful. Thank you again.